We got a prize hack drop, guys. Prize hack drop. Yes, it did drop. Big shout to Perales, Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. Alright, so this is it. This is the M12, 12 volts, high output, 5 amp hour, and 2 amp hour battery packs and charger starter kit. So you guys know this is $2.99, right? $2.99 at the stores with the free tool. Check this out. $229. This is going to make the hack even cheaper. The tools that you're going to get for free even cheaper. I believe the vacuum dropped down to 106. It's crazy low. So yes, guys, the $200 tools will drop to around $106. Run and get them, guys, because they know they'll fix this price. This is I don't know what happened here. Why they lowered the price. So I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Run and get it before they fix it or they change it. I don't know if this is intentionally or not. If they want to clear this out, but for the time being, this is cheaper, guys. This is cheaper. I repeat, go get them. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.